Shouldn't we go to the police? Frank's trying to kill me!
The cops are on Frank's payroll, just like the rest of this town.
Just drive, kid. We'll worry about Frank later.
Head north!